This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Use 2 large rotis or chapatis as the base. Start by laying them flat and patting them dry with a paper towel so they will crisp. Chop 1/2 cup tomatoes, 1/4 cup onions, and 1 jalapeno for fresh salsa and garnish. Grate 1 cup cheddar or mix with 1/2 cup mozzarella for melting. Rinse and drain 1/2 cup canned black beans and measure 1/4 cup corn. Have 2 tablespoons cilantro and 2 tablespoons lime juice ready to finish. Preheat oven to 200 degrees C, 400 degrees F, or use a toaster oven to save energy. Brush each roti with 1 teaspoon oil and bake 6-8 minutes until crisp. Watch closely so they do not brown too much. On a sheet pan, layer chips, roti, 1/3 cup beans, 1/2 cup cheese, then repeat for a second tier, pressing lightly to create contact for melting. Bake for an additional 5-7 minutes until cheese is bubbly and edges are golden brown. Top nachos with 2 tablespoons sour cream and 2 tablespoons salsa before serving to keep textures balanced and cool the hot cheese. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and 1 tablespoon lime juice for brightness, and add sliced avocado or 1/4 cup guacamole if desired. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 24 hours in fridge. Separate wet toppings first. For a crisp reheating, bake at 180 degrees C for 5 minutes, or use a skillet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.